In front of me is Xiaomi 17 and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to click on Apps over here. Now select Dual Apps at the top in the middle. And if you never used App Cloner before, hit Create at the bottom. To clone your apps, you can either tap on gray switches next to the chosen ones and choose Turn On in the pop-ups, or click one of the recommended ones and tap on gray switcher here next to Dual Apps. If you decided to pick one of your recommended apps, you can also adjust all of those options by clicking on the chosen one and deciding if you want to apply Always Ask, Default App or Dual App. When you finished, go back and check out your apps to see that all of them were successfully cloned. If you ever want to delete those clones, you can enter the same section in Settings and use No Blue switches. Then confirm your choice again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!